Right now I'm headed over to the coffee shop, and I'm gonna do a true test on this Action 6. If you've ever watched any of my content, you always know that I go to the coffee shop next door to my store. And when I go in there, the coffee shop itself is really dark. It's got all black walls, kind of a dark theme. And I have a lot of problems shooting in there. Oftentimes, the best choice that I have is my camera. And I think what I'm gonna do is try to use the Action 6, and I'm gonna see if I can actually get a pretty good image in there. I did a test last night with super night mode. And honestly, it was so impressive that I'll probably include it in this video. So right now, I'm walking my dog, and it's nighttime. It's like 9:30 p.m. There is a street light, but this is how much light there is. 4K 24, rock steady. And I'm gonna show you something. Now, nothing's changed, same time, but now I'm using super night mode. If you don't think that's crazy, then you're crazy. Super night mode. Unbelievable. So when you watch that video, you're kind of blown away. You're thinking, damn, like this was all done just impromptu. I was just walking my dog and I was wondering, is super night mode even good? Because so many people say super night mode sucks. And I'm willing to say I disagree with that. I think super night mode is fantastic if you use it for what super night mode is meant for. If you're not using it for that, then yeah, it probably sucks. But if you want to be able to film something at night, it gives you an option that you never had before. If I were to go out with my Action 4 prior and the middle of the night, I couldn't expect anything. And then with something like that, that's usable footage for whatever I wanted to say. You know, is it going to be like Netflix grade? No. But is it going to be enough to get the point across? I would say so. "4K 24, walking through the alley, seeing how it is. So far, I mean, I really like the image quality from this camera. Really impressed. Okay, so based on my initial findings, I'm willing to say that that was so much better in the coffee shop than normal. At least in the screen, it looks like a completely different place. So much brighter, so much easier to shoot. So if you ask me, in my particular situation, was the 6 worth it? I think if you're gonna be dealing with a lot of low light situations, then without a doubt, it's worth it to just invest in the 6, maybe sell what you had prior. I don't know how it is with the Action 4 or the Action 5, but with the 6, I'm really impressed. Moving from the 4, it's definitely a lot more useful when it comes to low light. When it comes to the normal image quality, I think that's preference. I think that's like what kind of style of image you like. For me, I kind of like the cinematic look of the Action 4, but I'm beginning to get used to the image from the 6, and they're not all that different, to be honest. It's just if you're like someone that likes to play with a lot of things and mess with things, then by far the 6 has a lot more features to mess with. But if you're someone that just likes to run and gun, simple, the Action 4 really can't be beat, except for at night. So you're gonna say, like for me prior, I was like, well, I never shoot at night. Well, the reason is I never had the option. And now with the Action 6, it is for sure now an option to shoot at night. So I don't know, if you're on the fence thinking about it, that's my honest thoughts on it. And that's it for today. It's Christmas Eve, Vlogmas, and you know, I'm gonna go spend time with the family, probably not film and do all that. Christmas is tomorrow, and you know, I hope all of you are safe and have a good one, and you'll see more of me. All right.